In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an object from a photo using Adobe Express. We'll use the built-in Remove Object tool to brush over the unwanted area and let Adobe generate clean replacement options. To get started, open the project you're working on in Adobe Express. Then click directly on the photo where there's an object you want to remove, so the image editing options become available. With the photo selected, look over to the left-hand panel and click Remove Object. This opens Adobe Express's AI-powered removal workspace. Before you begin painting on the image, adjust the brush size in the left panel. A smaller brush gives you more precision around detailed edges, while a larger brush can make it quicker to cover a bigger object. Quick side note, if you want more practical Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now move back over to your image and brush over the object you want to remove. Make sure the entire unwanted object is covered, including any small parts around the edges, so Adobe has a clear area to replace. Once you've brushed over the object, go to the bottom of the left panel and click Remove. Adobe Express will begin processing the edit. You'll see a generating results message along with a progress loader, so give it a moment to finish. When the results are ready, a few generated versions of your photo will appear in the left panel, each with the selected object removed. Click through the options to compare them and choose the one that looks most natural. If none of the versions work well, click Generate More to create additional results. When you find a result you like, click it. Then select Keep at the bottom of the left panel to apply it to your project. And that's it. You've successfully removed an object from a photo using Adobe Express.